Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Instagram shopping for shoppable posts, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Instagram shopping for shoppable posts, start by ensuring your store meets Instagram's eligibility requirements. Visit your Shopify admin panel. Click on the settings option. Choose sales channels from the menu. If Instagram is not already listed, click Add Sales Channel. Select Instagram from the options presented. Follow the prompts to set up your Instagram sales channel. Next, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your Instagram business account linked to your Shopify store. Navigate to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Business. Choose Shopping to begin setting up your shop. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store. You will need to select a product catalog from your Shopify account. Ensure all products you wish to promote on Instagram are published to that catalog. Go back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Sales Channels section, click on Instagram. Review your product catalog and ensure everything is correctly synced. Return to your Instagram account to confirm the connection. Check for the View Shop button on your profile. Tap the button to preview your shoppable posts. To create a shoppable post, add a new photo or video to your feed. Use the Tag Products option to link specific products from your catalog. Adjust the placement of the product tags as needed. Complete your post and share it with your audience. Monitor engagement and performance via Instagram Insights. Regularly update your Shopify catalog to reflect new products and ensure everything remains synced. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Shopify to Instagram shopping for shoppable posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.